Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Spotify widget on an iPhone. So, to begin, go to your iPhone and hold down on any existing app icon. For this example, I already have Spotify shown up. In the pop-up menu that appears, all you do is select Edit Home Screen. Now, once that happens, you tap the plus button, the very top left. From here, you're going to search widgets, and we are going to search for Spotify. Once Spotify pops up, simply click it. Now you can choose which size you want. So the smaller size will only give you one option. The larger size will give you up to 4 different options to play from that widget. So for an example, we're just going to select the big one. It's going to pop up. From here, you can drag it, move it anywhere you want, different pages, different sections. When you have exactly where you like it, just click done at the top. From there, you can choose any one of these 4 and it'll start streaming automatically. Now, these options at the top are based off of your Spotify viewing history. So we're going to click that. It's going to open up the app and it's going to have it ready for you automatically. Thanks, guys. If you found this interesting, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.